Hello, so previously we looked at how to set up our third person template, which you should get something similar to this here. And what we're going to be looking at now is just how to navigate the viewport and simple things of like how to move objects and things like that. So what we've got here is to move in our viewport. If we just hold the left button on the mouse and drag it, you can see there we go left, right, it's just backward, forwards, and then turn. If we hold the middle mouse button and drag, you can see there we're moving in this sort of direction. And then if you hold the right mouse button, that turns us. So you can as well roll the middle mouse button, and that'll zoom in and out. So that's your sort of basic default sort of setting, navigation, sorry, here. You can also do similar to like you do it in 3D softwares if you're like familiar with things like Maya. If you hold Alt and then left mouse click, it does that. Middle mouse click does that, and right mouse click does that. So you can use that if you want to. I just generally use the first type. Now, if we want to, say, move these stairs, you click on an object, you'll get the transform, which is up, down, left, right, or X, Y, Z. And you've got the X, Y, Z down here, so that tells you as you're looking at it, if you're lost, as you turn here, it's telling you what direction is what. So first of all, you'll get something like your transform here. If you don't, what you can do is you can hit W and that'll bring this up, or you can hit spacebar and that'll switch you to it. So this allows you to move up and down. If we hit spacebar or E, it'll take you to your rotate tool. So you can rotate here, or gizmo, sorry. And then if you hit space again or R, up to you which one you use, this allows you to resize. So that's obviously very simple in what you can do, but they're your basic tools to use, which you'll be using an awful lot in general and in this course to sort of position things and things like that. You've also got, if you notice when you move, it's sort of snapping. Now up here, these are your sort of snapping values. So what you got here, say if we put this on 100, you'll see that it snaps. If you follow me and do it, you'll see that it's snapping to bigger points. It's generally, I think, good practice to keep them if you can on snapping, because you don't want to be moving this. And, you know, it's sort of when you use modular assets, for instance, modular assets are designed to snap together really easy to allow you to create scenes very quickly. Now, you can turn, I'll just put that back as it was, you can turn this off by just clicking on the little icon, and this then turns the snapping off completely, but then it can get messy in your scenes. You've also got the snapping points for the degrees, so rotation, you can see here it's rotating more aggressively now, and same with scaling, we've got there. Also, next to this, you've got a little camera icon. And this allows you to do camera speed. So you can see here as I'm moving, say you're doing a huge, great scene, you might need to increase the camera speed. So if I increase this camera speed, now you can see there how much faster it is. It's obviously a bit uncontrollable, but for huge, great scenes, that would be very useful to be able to navigate through. I thought I'd just show you that anyway. So we'll stop this tutorial here and we'll move to the next part. If you do find this helpful, please do like and subscribe.